Today we're exploring Spaulding Square and Sunset Square, two side-by-side historic West Hollywood neighborhoods celebrated for their rich history, famous architecture, and storybook charm. While they are close neighbors, they have their differences. Before we explore these neighborhoods, if you were looking to buy or sell a home in Los Angeles, our team would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Contact us today to get started. Spaulding Square was home to Lucille Ball, Walt Disney often visited here for dinners, and plenty of early Hollywood technicians called it home. Just next door, Sunset Square grew up with bigger estates, celebrity residence, and its own preserved history. Let's explore both and see how they compare. Spaulding Square is one of the most charming and historically rich neighborhoods in Los Angeles. In fact, it was officially designated a historic preservation overlay zone in 1993, protecting it as a living museum of early Hollywood. This is a compact neighborhood, just about 8 square blocks. Step off Sunset Boulevard and you instantly feel transported. Quiet streets, leafy trees, and cozy homes that look much the same as they did 100 years ago. Built mostly between 1916 and 1926, Spaulding Square was designed for Hollywood's working class, the set designers, carpenters, cinematographers, and editors who needed housing near the studios. Developer Albert Starr Spaulding drew buyers in with free streetcar rides and lunch, turning his sales pitch into sold lots. The architecture is modest but beautiful. Craftsman bungalows, Spanish colonial revivals, and Tudor homes. Most are one-story cottages, approachable and full of character, shaded by mature trees. This wasn't Beverly Hills with sprawling estates, it was working Hollywood. Still, plenty of big names passed through. Silent film cinematographer Rudolph J. Berquist built his house back in 1919, making it one of the earliest homes in the neighborhood. Lucille Ball's first Hollywood home was here. Alan Hale Jr. from Gilligan's Island was a local, and neighbors often recall Walt Disney visiting the neighborhood for dinner. As of today, Spaulding Square still feels like old Hollywood. Thanks to the historic preservation overlay zone, renovations must preserve historic character. At the same time, its location is unbeatable. Just steps from Sunset Boulevard near comedy clubs like the Laugh Factory and the Comedy Store, legendary music venues like the Roxy and Whiskey A Go-Go, and historic haunts like the Chateau Marmont. You're minutes from Melrose, the Hollywood Bowl, and the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Now let's cross over Sunset Boulevard to Sunset Square neighborhood. This neighborhood is known for its larger lots and more estate-like homes. The district includes about 348 parcels in total, which are mostly made up of single-family homes, along with a smaller number of multifamily residences. Unlike Spaulding Square cottages with lot sizes between 5,000 to 7,000 square feet, Sunset Square was built with larger single-family homes between the 1910s and 1930s. Here you'll see Craftsman houses, Mediterranean villas, and period revival estates on larger private lots, anywhere between 7,500 to 10,000 square feet. Like Spaulding Square, Sunset Square later was designated a historic preservation overlay zone in 2017, protecting these stately homes and tree-lined streets from teardown and redevelopment. Sunset Square has long been known for its celebrity residence and estate-like homes. Horror fans will recognize 1428 North Genesee Avenue, which is Nancy's house from A Nightmare on Elm Street, with Glenn's house, played by young Johnny Depp, just across the street at 1419 Genesee. On North Orange Grove Avenue, you'll find the Doyle House at 1530 and the Wallace House at 1537, both central to Halloween, which came out in 1978. The neighborhood has also hosted productions like American Horror Story and NCIS Los Angeles. Architecturally, one of Sunset Square's gems is the Henry O. Ballman residence at 1530 North Ogden Drive, designed in 1922 by Frank Lloyd Wright Jr. Many celebrities have lived in this neighborhood, including musician Joe Jonas, Academy Award screenwriter Dustin Lance Black, and his partner, Olympic diver Tom Daly. Many famous actors including Emma Roberts, Alfred Molina, Lena Dunham, reality TV star Lauren Conrad from The Hills, artist talent manager Adam Leber, and the list goes on. If you are looking to buy or sell a home in West Hollywood, our team would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Contact us today to get started.